today with a brand new review on this bronzer here, the Ultra Cream bronzer from Revolution. So this is what it looks like. Let me take the sellotape off. So this is what the product looks like, and then when you open it, I got mine in the shade Light. So this is what it looks like. And basically I'm really into cream bronzers and cream blushes at the moment, so I thought, why not grab it, why not try it. So I think I'm going to, I've just done my base makeup, a little bit of an eye makeup, and my hair, curled my hair. So I'm going to take this Real Techniques brush. This one is 200, but it's like this nice bronzy contour brush. And I'm just literally going to pick it up like that. Oh. Oh. Okay. Let's see. I'll put a bit too much on, but let's give it a go. A blender, a sponge when I do my contour. I either use a brush or a sponge, but what I find works for me is by putting it on with a brush and then blending out with a sponge. So it's definitely the perfect colour for me. So I got the shade Light. That is actually very nice. It's not like muddy or anything. It's blending really nice. Ooh, quite nice. Definitely think I put way too much on though. Let's try it over here. Let's give it a go. Ooh, okay, so I definitely put way too much over here, but I actually really love this. I'm growing my hair, by the way. I'm trying to grow my hair. It's getting there. Can't wait for it to be long and curly. You know what? This is nice. I'm really liking this. So it's very, very creamy. Wow, it's very creamy. It's a lot creamier than the one I'm using. So let me swatch it for you guys. You can see there that it's so creamy, and it's definitely the perfect shade for my skin tone, and I'm kind of tanned at the moment. I'm using a bronzer. This is my first cream bronzer that I ever used, and I fell in love. This one is from W7. It's the Bronze Chic, and this one is a lot thicker. So the bottom is W7, and then this one's the Revolution. They're both very similar, but I feel like I kind of prefer the Revolution because it's got a little bit more of a cooler tone to it. The other one's quite warm. So yeah, I mean, they both look really nice, but I'm definitely liking this. I feel like this is a nice one. So I'm going to go ahead and do some blusher now. I'm really into, like I said to you guys, I'm very into cream bronzers and blushes and contours and stuff at the moment. Really into it. I think it's just because it looks lighter on the skin. But I'm going to go in with a powder blush. This one is from Jolie Beauty. This is Rendezvous. And see how they layer on top of each other, I guess. This one is so buildable. Yes, it looks nice together. This is kind of the typical blush that I use if I don't go with my cream blush. As you guys know, I love my cream blush from Pixie. This one is my holy grail. I love this one so much. So there we have it. I feel like I really like it. I feel like it just blends really nice. I can't see any kind of like patchiness. It's definitely a nice contour shade. It's definitely got like a light undertone, like it's not warm. So it's like cool. It's probably like a really cool undertone kind of bronzer, but overall I'm really happy with this. I will put the price on the screen. It was not really expensive. I think it was like £6, but I'll put the price on the screen if you guys are interested, and I will link it down below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Let me know down below what you think. Let me know down below if you are using a cream bronzer at the moment or a powder bronzer. Let me know, I'll be really interested. Just literally comment cream or powder so I know. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you are new. It would mean so much to me if you could join the family. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye friends.